PowerPoint 2010 Introduction. Microsoft PowerPoint is a part of PowerPoint Office suite of programs. It can be one of the most powerful tools for communicating ideas and information during presentations. In PowerPoint, we can create a beautiful presentation that may include text, pictures, videos, sounds, charts, and text animation effects. So, in earlier chapters, we studied Microsoft Word. So, we all know Microsoft is a software developing company. So, PowerPoint 2010 is developed by Microsoft company. Through this software, we can create presentations. So, presentations include text, pictures, videos, sound, chart, and text animation effects. We can make beautiful presentations on PowerPoint. But what is presentation? Presentation is a collection of slides are arranged in a systematic order. So, the presentation is a collection of slides that are arranged in a systematic order to convey the information along with the picture, animation, graphic, sound. Then, what is slide? Slide is a page of a PowerPoint that displays explained information about the topic. So, slide is the page of the PowerPoint that is explain the information about the topic. In PowerPoint software, we can see the 9 number of slides, default slides given by the Microsoft PowerPoint. Example: title slide, title content slide, section header slide, comparison slide, like this. How to open PowerPoint in computer? As we know that PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office. So, in earlier chapter we already studied about Microsoft Word. Just like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint is found under the Microsoft Office folder. So, for starting the Microsoft PowerPoint, go to Start button and choose the all programs. From this all programs, select the folder Microsoft Office and scroll the down, and there we can see the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 with the icon of orange color P. So just double click the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. When we open PowerPoint, then there will appear this window. This is the Microsoft PowerPoint window. So here we can see the main components of the PowerPoint. So at the top of this window, we can see the title bar, right side. At the top of the window, right side, we can see the title bar, and the left side we can see the quick access toolbar. So title bar that shows the name of the presentation. Here example presentation 1. You can see the presentation 1. That is the default presentation name given by the PowerPoint. So title bar shows the name of the presentation. Next is quick access toolbar. At the top of the left side, we can see the quick access toolbar. Here we can see it contains some commands that are frequently used by us. There we can see some commands. So that is, here we can save the document, or we can open a new document, and here also we can see the undo and redo. So we can place it above or below the ribbon. Then next is ribbon. Ribbon is an area of top of the document which displays tabs. So ribbon contains some tabs that are file tab, home tab, insert tab, design, etc. Each of these tabs contain groups further and they contain commands. The file tab, insert tab, these tabs are contain some commands. So for example, under the home tab we can edit the text, organize the slide, change the font size, and etc. So near that we can see the file tab. Under the file tab we can save the document, open the existing presentation, and create a new presentation, and print the presentation, etc. We can do all this in under the file tab. Slide pane. Slide pane is an area where the work done, individual slides of a presentation. So slide pane is an area where the work done. Here we can see slide pane contain two placeholders. Placeholders are the dotted rectangle boxes. Dotted rectangle boxes in a slide is called placeholders. Here we can add text. So in this picture we can see a title and subtitle placeholders. These are the default slide given by the PowerPoint. When we open the PowerPoint, the default slide is title slide. A title slide contains a title placeholder and subtitle placeholders. So then the slide tab. Slide tab shows the thumbnail version of slide of the presentation. We can add, rearrange, duplicate, delete slide or slides in the slide tab. So under the slide tab we can add new slides. In slide tab just right click. When we just right click the slide tab, there will appear some commands. There we can see the new slide, deleting slide, duplicating slide, etc. Outline tab. This tab displays the text that is added to all slides of the presentation. So near the slide tab we can see the outline tab. When we click the outline tab, then there will appear the details of slide, the text of the slide. Slide tab, in slide tab we can see only the preview of these pages, but in outline tab we can see the text, what text are given in a slide that are displays in outline tab. So there we can add text and edit the text. Then notes pane. This provides an area where we can add notes to our current slide. Suppose our heading have a brief information, but in note pane we can type the details of the content. But in slideshow view, when we go to slideshow view, that text are not visible. So the text that given in note pane are not shown in slideshow. Then creating new presentation in PowerPoint. Like all softwares, here we can create new document through the file tab. When we go to file tab and then click the new, and here we can see the blank presentation option. So for creating new presentation, click on the file tab and select new option, and the available templates and themes pane appears on the screen. Here we can see blank presentation, recent templates, sample templates, themes, etc. and my computers. So from my computers we can open another existing document. So first we select create and new document, new presentation. Click blank presentation and new presentation will be displayed. The title slide layout is the default slide that appear on the screen. So title slide is the default page given by the PowerPoint. For adding new slide, under the home tab we can see a small icon new slide. Otherwise we can see the layout option. From the layout option, when we click the layout option, there appear 9 default slides in PowerPoint. That are first the title slide, and the second title slide involves the title and subtitles. Then title content, that involves 2 placeholders for title, and second is for content, or we can add text, anything in that. And the third is section header, fourth is 2 content slide, and the fifth is comparison slide, sixth is title only, seventh is blank, eighth is the content title caption, and the third is picture with the caption. So these are the 9 slides found in MS PowerPoint. Adding text to the placeholders. So we all know that placeholders are the dotted rectangle boxes. So on the default slide layout, click to add title. We can see in this picture, under the title placeholder, they say click to add title. So just click the mouse and there will be appear a cursor. Then type the presentation topic, type the heading here and the subtitle. After the typing, just click the outside of the placeholder. Then saving a presentation. For saving a presentation, just click the file tab and select the save option. When we click the save option, there will open a new window. Here we can specify the name of the presentation, file name, according to our requirement, and then click the save. Upon click the presentation, it will be saved. For closing an existing presentation, after saving, go to file tab. There we can see the close option, and when we click the close option, the presentation will close. And for exiting the PowerPoint application, there we can see that in title bar right side we can see the close button. Just click that and the application will be closed. And for opening a presentation, go to file tab and there we can see the open option. Just click that, then a window will be appeared. Select the presentation which one you want to open and then click the open. The presentation will be open to our PowerPoint. And adding new slide to the presentation. We can always add new slides to the presentation per our need. Whenever you add the new slide to presentation, it is very important to specify the layout slide. For adding new slide, go to home tab. Under the home tab we can see the small icon option new slide. Otherwise we can add in slide tab. Under the slide tab, just right click and there we can see new slide option. Adding pictures to the title and content slide. So we know the first page is title slide, then the second page is title and content page. So in this page we can add the pictures. For adding pictures, first go to insert tab. Under the insert tab, there we can see the image group, there we can see picture. So click the picture. When we click the picture, there will be appear a pop-up window. From that window we can select the picture. When we click the picture will be displayed in our slide. Slideshow in PowerPoint. Just like the pictures in an album, PowerPoint allows to combine all the slides to the presentation together into a slideshow. The slideshow displays all the slides in our presentation one after other on the screen. So, in a PowerPoint window, the bottom of the window we can see some of the views in presentation PowerPoint. That is slideshow view, slides, not pane view, etc., reading view, etc. This is the icon for the slideshow. Just click that, we can see our presentation as a slideshow. We can create animation in our presentations also. And for exiting slideshow, just use the escape key